What's up guys, back again, another video. So the Corolla's on the back burner for a little bit at the moment. I now have Camo, who's been helping me with the Corolla engine. I've got his VK Valiant Ute. Now, through the videos, I'm probably going to mess up a lot of Valiant, enthusiast things, because I don't know Valiants very well, but plan with this one is going to be to strip it all back to bare metal. It was supposed to be a quick little paint job on it, but turned out that the paint that's on it is just peeling off in layers when you jam a screwdriver into it. Yeah, you'll see in a minute how bad it is, but turned out to be way worse than what was expected, as these old cars always are. So now we're bare metaling it all, body working, painting, and then it goes back to Camo. So then he can finish getting this thing sorted. It's already registered and everything, but he wanted to give it a freshen up, and he's already booked all the new interior and everything to be done in it. So we've just got to get the paint panel up to that decent standard that it should be for one of these old girls. So I'll have a bit of a wander around it and show you what we're in for with this one. So let's get into it. Right, so had to pull it out of the shed. God, that Commodore. Had to pull it out. That is absolutely ridiculous. Alright, so. Jesus. Alright, so. Pulled it out of the shed. The shed's very cluttered at the moment, so I couldn't do the video inside the shed. So, because wasn't able to walk around the full thing. So, here we have the engine bay. So it will be getting sandblasted, that is for sure. As you can see, it is layered in some of the thickest paint I have ever seen in my life. I don't know what they were doing, but it is coated in some heavy duty stuff. So engine bay will be getting stripped, and a bit of rust in here. It's all looking not too bad. I had the screens removed from the car the other day, so I could suss the windscreen area. The worst of the rust is right in the center there, so I have to cut and plate all of that. So as far as the car goes, it's not actually too bad body wise, so far. A few little things I do have to cut and plate, but like up in the back here, we've got a large portion of rust here. This rail across here will be being deleted, and depending on how much I find in here, I may have to make a new panel for across there. So, but all in all, it's looking pretty good around the windscreen. The interior is all gutted because he's getting a new trim done for it eventually when the trimmer gets sorted. So I will be painting all the dash and interior parts that are red in there to match the new trim colour. So we'll be getting stuck into that and pulling all these tie rails off, and they will be all getting deleted, so welding up all the holes and stuff in there. I've already dug out what was overdone seam sealer in there, so if you look in here you can see there's a lot of just overused product in areas that didn't need to be used, which when we come over to here, this is all the seam sealer that was in this, so this is why the rail's going to be deleted. So we'll get rid of it. Could replace it, but he wants that cleaner look along the back there with the hard lid, so if we get rid of it, that sorts that out. So all in all, pretty straightforward so far till I start getting into it, but these old cars always have hidden surprises, so we'll see what we get into as this journey continues. But so far, first port of call is to get everything stripped off the car, ready to go. So I'll be stripping all the back half, so then I can start paint stripping the roof and the rear quarters. Inside the tray, we have to discuss what we're doing. He wants colour fleck in there, so I've got to discuss what the plan is going to be, whether we get that sandblasted or not. So engine bay will be getting blasted, but that's further up the track once we start getting this into epoxy, because I want all of it bare metalled, sealed in epoxy, and metal work done obviously before it goes into epoxy. So that's going to be the first few stages of this, will be bare metal, metal work, epoxy on the body. Then from there it'll just be, we'll see what happens as it goes. So right, so that'll be about it for this video. So that's pretty much where we're at with this. So new videos coming with a new car for a little while, so it keeps the momentum going while the Corolla is all wrapped up undercover, put to bed for a while. So Corolla will definitely be getting done, but the good thing is while I'm working on the Valiant, got something going on, and also I can save up some money so I can get stuck into this thing a bit more hardcore when the time comes to get back into this. So for now, that's it for this video, and get stuck into the next one, which will be, yeah, stripping it down and getting some panels back to bare metal.